আশ্বিনের শারদ প্রাতে বেজে উঠেছে আলোকমঞ্জিত, ধরণীর বহিরাকাশে অন্তরিত মেঘমালা, প্রকৃতির অন্তরাকাশে জাগরিত জ্যোতির্ময়ী জগন্মাতার আগমন বার্তা।
The wait is finally over. Goddess Durga is going to grace the pandals as Mahalaya is at our doorsteps. Bengalis are eager to take a break from their work and return to their hometown. Nilanjan Chatterjee is one of those bongs who stays in Bangalore and now is planning to return to Kolkata after 6 long years to celebrate Durga Puja with his friends and family. Diya, Nilanjan and Shweta are childhood buddies. They studied at the same school and also did engineering together. One day, Neil suddenly came to Diya and said,
I am thinking of accepting a new job in Bangalore. The salary is pretty decent too.
Diya replied,
Great to hear that. Do your parents and Shweta know about your decision?
to which Neil just said,
Of course, yes.
Neil had then left for Bangalore after a few days, and exactly after 2 months, Shweta also left for Delhi for a job. Since then, 6 years have passed, but Diya has maintained her friendship with them.
What's up, Neil? Heard from Auntie that you're coming for Pujo? When is your flight?
It's in 2 hours.
Finally, you're coming back. It's been too long since we have hung out. I'll be there to pick you up.
Thanks, buddy. Chalo, bye. We'll call as soon as I land.
Okay, have a safe landing.
At 10 pm, Neil's flight landed. He called up Diya and said,
Hey, just landed. Are you here?
Yes, give me 5 minutes.
Preview. Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building.
So, how's your work going, Neil?
Fine, just a bit hectic.
So, finally, busy person? तुम्हें हम सबकी याद आई.
Arey, not like that.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Shweta is also coming back from Delhi tomorrow. She called me up yesterday and I was thinking, why don't we both go and receive her at the airport? It will be a small reunion of 3 old friends.
I'm not sure. We have not really been in contact with each other.
What do you mean? You guys were like Rahul and Anjali holding hands wherever you both went. I was even looking forward to eating at your wedding.
Diya, we had planned to make the long distance thing work. But we were young and our dream jobs had taken priority.
Yeah, whatever. It's final. The 3 musketeers are reuniting this Pujo. You guys are going to get over your issues and will start pandal hopping and eat fuchkas. I'm sure you miss those.
But
No ifs and buts. You unpack and we'll pick up Shweta tomorrow evening.
Neil was restless the entire night. The memories came back, and he remembered Shweta's shaky voice as she told goodbye for the last time over a phone call. Years of friendship had gone downhill as a corporate job took reign over their minds. It was exactly 6 pm when Diya honked her car in front of Neil's house. He was almost too well dressed up to pick up a friend from the airport.
Trying to impress someone, huh?
I have no idea what you are talking about.
I know, huh? Don't try to fool me.
You know nothing. Shall we leave now?
Yeah, I know. You are getting restless. After all, you will meet Shweta after 6 years.
No, that's not it. You know her well. She hates people who arrive late. I don't want her to shout at us in front of everyone at the airport.
Oh, you remember her habits also so well. Don't worry, we will be there before she lands.
It was raining while they were on their way to the airport. Diya noticed a strange nervousness in Neil. He was staring outside the window and was looking at the mesmerizing raindrops, feeling the weather, when suddenly the radio started playing.
फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर क्या कीजिए रास ना आया रहना दूर क्या कीजिए दिल कह रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है, वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है.
Shweta's flight landed at 7 o'clock in the evening, but unfortunately, they were 10 minutes late, thanks to Kolkata's terrific traffic due to the rain.
Oh no, we are late. We are going to be in big trouble.
They successfully tracked Shweta, who was standing just beside the gate in a pretty red t-shirt, waiting for her friends to receive her. Dia and Shweta waved at each other, but Neil stood there, staring at her.
Hey Shweta, long time, yeah?
Hey,
Hi Shweta.
Neil, I did not expect you to see here. Anyways, it's nice to see you after so many years.
Shall we leave now? Or are you guys planning to stay here forever?
Chalo, let's go.
Neil couldn't help but look at Shweta through the rearview mirror. She was keeping her hair longer now. She looked wiser and even more beautiful. It wasn't long before their eyes connected. The memories came back to Neil. The last puja together as lovebirds. Looking at her was like stepping into a time travel machine for Neil.
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं.
Hey Neil, so glad you came to pick us up. It's finally Ponchumi. We had a fantastic girls' night yesterday.
Guys, that's enough. We are going to be late. I don't want to get swallowed up in the crowd at the pandal. What's our first spot?
It was late evening by the time they were done watching several pandals. Neil and Shweta each had an egg roll in hand and couldn't stop stealing glances at each other.
So, Neil, what have you been up to these few years? You look so different now. The sweet Nilanjan isn't this scrawny kid anymore.
Well, work has been taking up my time. It's like I don't even have a social life anymore. This year, I decided that I finally deserve a break. I miss the city too much. Shweta, I really miss us. I wish I could have set my priorities straight.
Neil, you are so tired that you aren't even thinking straight. We were young. Infatuations happen. Life isn't a fairy tale, you know. I think we all should head home now. It's been a hectic day. Let's meet up the day after tomorrow for dinner.
Neil was embarrassed that he had let his emotions astray. But he wasn't ready to give up. This was the time he would get Shweta back. This was his only chance, and he was going to give it his all. With a rose in hand, Neil waited for Shweta outside the restaurant. He was staring at Shweta while she was stepping out of the taxi. She was the epitome of beauty in a yellow kurti and silver jhumkas as the breeze slightly blew her hair.
You look lovely, Shweta. Here, this is for you.
You remembered. Yellow rose were always my favorite. Thanks, Neil.
Oh, you guys are too sweet. Just get back together soon. Can we eat first, please?
With their bellies packed, they started their journey to Maddox Square. Neil had a lot on his mind and he needed to clear things out with Shweta. She occupied his mind and it was difficult to get over her.
Shweta, I think I need to confess a few things to you. You have no idea how sorry I am. I put my job first and your feelings aside. I hope you understand that. I realize where I went wrong. We are at a better place now. We are older and more established.
I understand what you are trying to say, Neil. I'll never get over us. and the precious moments we had together. But what do you want? I don't want to be misled. I won't be able to take it, you know?
All I want is one chance, Shweta. I know our bond is strong. Even 12 years apart can't sever our connection. Let's pick up where we left off.
Neil, you need to slow down.
You guys are really making me feel like the third wheel. Come on, let's get some ice cream.
Throughout the several hangouts during the pujo, the bond between Neil and Shweta had grown stronger, a bond that was stronger than friendship and beyond. It was Navami and Shweta had started packing up. She had to leave for Delhi the next day morning. Neil and Diya had made themselves comfortable on her couch. Shweta was struggling to stuff her huge collection of kurtis into the suitcase when Neil got up.
Are you sure you need to take them all back to Delhi? You know what? I can talk to my supervisor and take up a project in Delhi. Maybe we can meet up on a weekend. Don't worry, I have everything planned out.
Neil, I'm sorry. I can't. Our jobs are the same. The situation hasn't changed. I have really appreciated this time together. Our bond is stronger than ever. You know, I'm always going to have your back, right?
Shweta, but the past few days have proved that I can do this.
I'm sorry, Neil. I want you to be logical, like you were before. I value us. Let's not end it over a phone call again.
It was Dashami. Shweta was ready to leave Kolkata with a heavy heart. Diya picked up Neil from his home and they were on their way towards Shweta's home.
These days were the shortest days of my life. 4 days passed away so soon.
Yeah. Neil, why are you so quiet? Is everything okay?
Yep, fine. Nothing much.
They finally reached the airport. It's time to bid goodbye to their childhood friend Shweta. They hugged each other for one last time.
Bye, Shweta. Hope to see you soon. And stay in touch.
Bye. Bye, Neil.
Neil? Shweta is leaving. What's the matter, dude?
Nothing. Bye, Shweta. Stay in touch and have a safe landing.
Shweta took her bags and left. Neil watched the love of his life go in silence. His eyes were filled with tears, but he was helpless. Some love stories don't have a happy ending, but the memories spent with them stay forever.